What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the Cobalt, my favorite little get around car. So as the title states, we are installing another aftermarket part to this car. We're going to be installing a short throw shifter. Again, in my last car, my silver one I had short throw off in it also. So yeah, let me show you what we got. Alright guys, as you saw, we got the short throw shifter. We got the shifter ball. This one is from not ZZP, but Over the Top Performance. I've always liked theirs because you're able to get a colored body if you wish to do so. Got a weighted shift ball that comes with it, or you have to pay for it. So, but you can order these through Over the Top also. When this comes, you have to put the body itself on there, but it's got reverse lockout. It's got the spring inside. So whoever had my car before, they got rid of the reverse lockout for some reason. Just put it in there. Tighten her on down. I get Allen head to fix that, and got your reverse lockout. So got a new pivot plastic piece. We got the shifter base bushings. We're going to change that out also, along with the cable clamps. The ones that come with the stock ones, they're plastic, so they tend to break every now and then. So we got some brand new ones, and that's what we're going to be using today. Also got a shifter spring we're going to be replacing also. Make it a little bit, just get everything back the way it should be. So yeah, what we're going to do first is we're going to take So when you take the old clips out, there's a little piece inside that you need to get out first. So make sure you do that.
Alright guys, so found the best way is just give it a little tap, you know what I mean? So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go start getting ready for this spring. We're going to take this bushing off. All I got to do is pry it a little bit and get it over. Now, so we opted out of putting the spring on just because of the fact I don't want to break this bushing, and these parts are getting harder and harder to come by. So what we're going to do up next is, if I got a knife over here, we're going to go ahead and start putting the base back into the car. And once we're done with that, well, before we even do that, we're gonna put them with these base bushings. So it's supposed to help with keeping the base from moving around. We gotta remove the ones in here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then we gotta put those in. So that is what we're going to do. Then we'll put it in and go for a test drive. Gotta pry them out. Oh well. So far, so good. It's definitely a different feeling. Especially driving this car for a year without one. Usually it's one of the first things I do with if I have a sports car with a standard. It's definitely a little bit, it's definitely a little, I guess, not really notchy. I've got to get my sunroof fixed. Sorry for the whistling, guys. But yeah, I mean it's a lot better, It's definitely an improvement over the stock one. It's an aftermarket sunroof anyway, because I took all this down, and yeah, I believe it's aftermarket. I need to get it fixed though. But back to the shifter, it goes into gears really smooth. Definitely prefer this one over the ZZP. Nothing against ZZP, just the fact that you can get a color option with this one, make it more aesthetically pleasing on the inside. I'll do a 1-2 or 1-2-3 shift whenever I turn around right here. So yeah, but yeah, this is definitely an upgrade for sure. Not sure if I can tell the difference in the clamps and everything, but it feels a lot more sturdier. There's no slop in it, you know what I'm saying? So we'll get up here and do a pull, see how it feels, and at least 2 to 3. gear in the stock. But I'm gonna head back to the house, guys. Got some more modifications coming to this car. If you like this Cobalt stuff, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I plan on doing more videos. Got a few, like I said, a few more modifications sitting in the shop for this. It's just finding time with the holidays and everything going on. So guys, I'm trying to get these cars going. If you don't already watch, I do have a turbo Camaro that I am working on. You can click back in the previous videos and look at those if you want to, if you're not subscribed and don't know about it. But yeah, I'm gonna head back to the house, guys, and until next time.